can surprise me that. It's an iPad Pro. iPad Pro. It's open.
12.5 inch.
Surprise.
Oh, that's huge.
Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Let's
Oh,
see.
I got charger. It says, oh my god! For the love of my life, Carmina Steinbecker. Oh!
Can't get lost.
No one's gonna take away from me.
No.
You are mine forever. Oh, you're so...
And you got
Oh.
a magic keyboard.
Yeah. It's iPad Pro. It's like an iPhone Pro. Ma,
That's huge.
it's
I
like
think it's bigger than your laptop.
bigger than me. So I get this one. I don't know what's this.
You get instructions.
Yeah, some instructions, some Apple sticker. So I'm gonna put this here. And the charger.
You want me to try to get it function?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, open up that keyboard. I don't know how that.
Next is it's magic keyboard. Magic keyboard. Got magic keyboard here. Wait, let's try to open this one.
Wow, that's really. I like it. I'm jealous. My iPad isn't that big, and it's so old. Hello. It says hello. English.
My husband installed the Mac Pro.
Do you want it to mirror your phone?
Mirror.
Yeah.
I got here the iPad
You want
magic
you
keyboard.
want it to match up with your cell phone? All the apps?
Yeah,
Where's your cell phone?
it's in there. In here.
Oh, you're using it.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Okay, wait.
Okay, now let's see this. Surprise! Oh, it's like a... That's what I get from our anniversary, right?
Well, you can call it that. I just get
Or
it
maybe a
because-
present.
I just get it because I love you.
My husband will give me a present whenever there's no occasion or not.
Because it's Wednesday.
How to open this one? Oh my gosh!
Yeah. That cardboard is there's no reason for it to be in there.
Another
instructions, yeah.
instructions. Another instructions.
Yeah, see, it's got a camera hole.
Oh my gosh!
Goes like
You
that.
can edit my video.
Just whoop. And it's
Oh,
magnetic.
It's magnetic.
Look at the keyboard's already lit up just by being on there. It's magic.
Oh wow! What do you mean magic?
It just magically comes on when you slap the iPad up there to it.
My husband loves me so much.
I do. And you got a pen and all that good stuff.
See, I get here a magic keyboard. Maybe there's a touchscreen keyboard too.
And he wants to set up against my phone. No. Well, let it set up with your phone.
Okay, last one is pencil. Is it magic too?
Yeah, it's designed to work with your iPad.
I got here a pencil.
$300 pencil. So be careful with it. I'm just.
Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lose it. No one's gonna steal it from me. Gonna hide it from my husband.
No, you don't have to.
What's this? Another instructions?
Yeah.
And here's the magic pencil. What's this? It says pencil. I'm gonna open this like this. Oh my gosh! I'm excited to use it. Like,
You can write, draw.
okay, that's all. Thank you.